In this new relationship, Haley brought something special into Clayton's life. She brought warmth, intelligence, humor, and a calm strength that balanced him perfectly. Together, they didn't just match, they complemented each other.
Late nights with the same thoughts racing. I'll be good one day, you just wait and see. I'ma smile through every storm, keep leaning on this hope. Cause I was 15 minutes from the grave. They said I was done, but I just don't play that.
When I started thinking about what I wanted to write for my speech, I thought about all these funny moments that she probably wouldn't want me to repeat. It wasn't about all these things that she has done and accomplished in her life that makes her so special, but rather how she makes you feel when you're in her presence.
Being the older sister, Haley had to be strong and soft, take care of me, be a shoulder to cry on.
Bring it back to the basics, feet onto the pavement, taking one step at a time. I'm gonna make
Often the voice of reason when I needed it. So much of me is what I have learned from you.
go chase it. If you ever get your chance, then take it. I'll be at it every day, just moving along, singing the song.
In all seriousness, Clayton is a brother for life. He would drop anything at any time to help me out.
Haley and I talk every single day, no matter how far we are from each other or how busy life gets. She always makes time to talk. She listens, supports, and occasionally gives her opinion that I didn't ask for, but she definitely knew I needed.
I look to the sky and I see.
He was someone who was driven, loyal, and quietly determined. He was the kind of person who doesn't just set goals, but steadily works towards them. That was the faith that I had in Clayton. It speaks testament to his overall high character. Clayton and Haley's story didn't start with some big cinematic moment. It started with a more natural and a more meaningful way. Because some things are worth taking a chance on, and some people are worth it. And to Clayton, Haley was totally worth it. On behalf of our beautiful bride and handsome groom, I want to warmly welcome all of you. It truly means so much that you are here today to celebrate this moment with them.
She likes coffee in the morning while the sleep is in her eyes. Standing in the doorway, just taking her time. In an oversized t-shirt.
What came out of that wasn't just a relationship, it was a foundation.
Still this heart of mine, she still catches me by surprise.
Through Haley's graduate school journey, through time spent long distance, through Clayton making the move to Texas to be with her, and now building a life together in North Carolina, they've continued to show up for each other.
She's holding me tight, keeps treating me right. My radiant light, I give her my life.
Marriage doesn't really start at a ceremony like this. It shows up in everyday moments.
See you pulling out the driveway from the corner of the blinds. You look back over your shoulder.
It's how you talk to each other when you're tired or when you're hangry. Marriage is how you handle things when they don't go your way. It's how you support each other when one of you needs it more than the other.
My days and my nights, my soul taking flight. She knows what I like. I give her my life.
It's less about big gestures and more about consistency. Consistently showing up, consistently being honest, consistently having each other's back. You've adapted and grown. You supported each other through change. You've built something steady. As you move forward, keep it simple. Take care of each other. Be patient when life gets most difficult. Say what you mean and say it kindly. And don't forget to enjoy the life you're building along the way. Clayton, you may now kiss your bride.
First, I want to thank each and every one of you for showing up to celebrate the love between Haley and Clayton. Clayton, you have been so special to Jet and I couldn't imagine our lives without you. Your love for Haley is undeniable.
This wedding has been a long time coming, and I'm so happy for you and Clayton. I knew Clayton was in love with you the first time we brought you around.
Haley and I have a very special bond. They say there are some people in this world that are gifted to you, placed in your life for a reason. Haley and I didn't grow up together. We weren't friends in high school or college, but when we met, I instantly knew she was a lifer.
Over the years, I've watched this loyal, kind, smart, adventurous dude watch over her and help her life blossom. He truly is amazing, someone who can take over for her after all the years of taking care of me and everyone else. And I know she finally has someone to take care of her forever. Thank you for loving her the way she has always loved everyone else.
I'm excited to see where the next chapter of this life takes you. To Haley and Clayton, may their life be filled with love and laughter and all the Garth Brooks we're about to hear tonight.